Hi guys, CodeTutor here and my name is Anil Deshpande.
In this video, we will continue the exploration of error handling in Swift. You have observed that we created two structures, book to costly error and book to old error, both of which adopted error protocol. And then we simply threw that particular error. We also understood how to handle it. Declaring multiple errors like this is a little bit cumbersome and inefficient. And that is where using the concept of enums to declare multiple errors in one single enum and handling them in a regular fashion is much more efficient. So I will just show you how to do that. Let me remove the lines which are causing the error. Now what I will do is I will create a enum, call it as book errors, and this will adopt error protocol. And inside the book errors enumeration, I will declare any kind of errors that might be added in this particular category. So I will add too costly and then too old. So basically now I have defined a enumeration book errors. Inside the book errors enumeration, I can define multiple error cases. So in this case, it is too costly and too old. And now inside the letbook method, all I have to do is throw this new type of error. So I will say throw book errors dot too costly, and in the same way, if the year of publication is less than 1900, then I will throw book errors dot too old. That is about implementing the errors as enums. Now what happens when I want to handle them? Once again, nothing much changes. As you know, I have to write two catch statement, and inside this I will try length books and argument is sample book, and here I will catch book errors dot too costly, and I can write multiple catch statements book errors dot too old. In each of these catch blocks I will handle them differently. So in this case, where the book is too costly, I just want to print book is too costly, and in the same way print book is too old in the case the error that is being caught is too old from the book errors. If I run this, you will observe that book is too old block is getting executed. And in the same way, let me fix the year of publication and let me make the price as too costly. And if I run it again, now you are seeing that code from too costly block is getting executed. And if everything is fine, if I run this, you will observe that please collect the book is the normal output. At the end of the day, the lend book is returning a string. So if you want to catch hold of that, this is something that I have already shown you earlier. What I can do is if let message, and here I can do the optional try, and then inside it I will write print the message is message. And now if you run this, you will see that you are getting a proper output. But however, you will observe that we are also getting a warning saying that catch block is unreachable because no errors are thrown in the do block. This is happening because this pretty much is like a error handling. So when you do optional try, you are pretty much handling the error. So you can remove the do block and just keep if let with the optional try. So that should basically fix the warning error that you were seeing earlier. However, don't try forced unwrapping. It may work sometime, but most of the times it will not work. So right now it is giving me an error that this message is not an optional string. So let me make it as optional string. And if I still run this, looks like it is getting executed. But however, if I make this particular sample book such that it throws a error, then my application will crash. So try to avoid forced unwrapping until and unless you are absolutely sure of what you are doing. So that's it about the error handling in Swift. In the next video, we will move on to another topic. So stay tuned. That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.